This video will cover the steps to prepare a Lowe's Foods grocery store receipt. The vendor will issue two documents at the conclusion of your transaction. Those items are the invoice, which is shown on the screen, and the register receipt. The invoice is validated in the upper right-hand corner, showing the charge amount, the store number, again the total transaction amount, and the date and time stamp. Next, we have the vendor's header information, the vendor's store number, the date of the transaction. Here we have the Steps to Health customer account number, which is 32355, and the billing details for the Steps to Health account. The type of transaction would be a charge. In the line description and amount fields, the description field should contain the program name and session number or numbers. The amount field should contain the total amount for the items purchased, excluding taxes. The bottom left is the invoice number, and to the right of that is where the agent or educator will sign as an authorized buyer on the Steps to Health account. The next document is the register receipt. All grocery store invoices must have a register receipt with it. If a register receipt is lost, the agent or educator can request a manager's report based on the validation timestamp on the invoice. The register receipt is a listing of the items purchased. If the register receipt does not clearly identify an item, the agent or educator can write in those details. Taxes must be removed from the purchase. Your packet will contain several sheets related to your program budgets. One of those sheets will be the program purchase ID labels. There will be a sheet of labels for each program that you sign up for. The label will be partially filled in with the agent or educator's name, the program, and the county where the program is conducted. The agent or educator will need to fill in the program session number, the invoice number, the date the invoice is being submitted to the Steps to Health office, and also indicate the reimbursement type. In this example, we will use the Lowe's Foods corporate account, as this is a charge sale. The invoice will be taped to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that is oriented landscape. Portrait orientation does not leave enough room to insert the CAL's invoice verification stamp and details. The register receipt will also be taped on the same 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. The tape should not cover the ink on the register receipt. The tape causes the ink to dissolve. An option, if needed, is to tape the register receipt and invoice together on the back and then tape the edges down to the 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, or to tape the invoice and the register receipt on separate sheets of paper. Once this is done, check the document for completeness. Make sure you sign the documents, make sure the invoice and the register receipt amounts and dates match. Make a copy for your records and mail to the Steps to Health office.